Tired of dealing with an unwelcome spot on your skin that just won't budge? Guess what? There is a natural solution that doesn't involve a doctor's visit. Enter the magical world of castor oil. Derived from castor beans, this age-old remedy has been a trusted ally in addressing various skin concerns. Easy and safe, it might just be the answer you've been looking for. All you need is castor oil, baking soda and bandages. Here is your DIY guide to spot liberation. Mix up a little castor oil with baking soda until it turns into a paste. Once you've got your potion ready, take a bead with your finger and gently massage it onto the spot. Coat the entire area generously, put on a bandage and let the castor oil mixture work its magic while you sleep. Come morning, unveil the spot and rinse off the oil and baking soda combo with water. Notice any difference? To bid farewell to the spot for good, repeat this nightly ritual for a few weeks. Over the time, the spot will dry up and disappear. Just be patient and keep applying the castor oil mix every night. The beauty of this natural remedy lies in its harmlessness. But before you embark on this DIY journey, it's smart to have a doctor check out your spot, especially if it raises any concerns. While castor oil is generally friendly, it might cause a bit of redness or itchiness for some. And if you are thinking of trying it on the little ones, just be extra cautious. Embrace the simplicity, go natural, and wave goodbye to that bothersome spot. Your skin will thank you for it.